the other thing that I forgot to cover is the tire sealants. Now what this does right here is if you were riding down the highway and you had a small obstruction like I just fixed, but you didn't have time or the tools to do it, you could go to any one of your auto parts stores and get a form of tire sealant. Now what this does, it's just a quick fix, so I would not suggest if you just got your tire punctured and putting this in thinking that it was going to last for a long time. But what it does, basically, it kind of fills the obstruction to where you can safely get to a place to actually maybe get a new tire or get the tire repaired. It's pretty basic instruction. There's several different forms of this stuff, but you just read the instructions and apply it as needed. But then it does have its disadvantages, because it will throw the wheel weight off on the tire, and it will cause a vibration in the vehicle. So, if you can fix the tire where you're at, then that's fine. But this stuff is like a quick fix, and it should do well. If you need to get home, soon. So that concludes tire sealant.